Hey class, I hope you enjoyed Tim O'Brien as much as other classes have. Enjoyed is kind of a strange term because it's powerful, it's sad, it's kind of tragic in a lot of ways, but it's also illuminating into the spirit of keeping people alive by telling stories, right? I don't think still do that, not just in times of war, but in any time that we want to bring people who are no longer with us back into the room, right? But this week we're going to be switching gears, totally switching gears into poetry and Vietnamese poetry. Poetry written by the people who were there in the country, the home country, their native land, when this war came to them, and this civil war that was between North and South in a sort of invisible line turned into a major world police action, as they call it. So this week you'll have a discussion on some poetry. You can find it all here, right? It's all set, ready to go. And then you're going to write a proposal by the end of the week of what your paper is going to be on. And the prompt here states that you're going to be finding a theme, a controlling idea, right? And some of the poets that we'll be looking at here. And there's a sample paper in there as far as what common themes do they have in here, right? And these poems here will also bring you into a poetry website where you'll be reading the poems. So no book is needed, and you can jump right in there and begin the journey into Vietnamese poetry. If you have a poem outside this list of poems or the website, then you have to run it by me first. You have to run it by me first anyway in a proposal. But if you do provide a Vietnamese war poem that is not on those websites, you have to include the link in the proposal. Okay, well, let me know what you need. I'll be in the office hour today, Monday, 3:45 p.m. All right.